So welcome to the channel for Passkey bypass with a resistor. You're going to identify those two wires that I have pulled out, the orange and black and yellow. In some cases, that orange and black will be a solid black, depending on the year. Hopefully this is easy to follow. Trying to get the voltmeter there in sight, set at 2 ohms. I went ahead and stripped back the orange and black and yellow wire. What you need to do is either clip on, or you can just poke a small hole through, let your meter hang, and then you're going to measure the resistance through these two wires in the crank position, and then turn it to crank. We'll be able to see our resistance between those two wires. Hopefully you can see it there in the camera. It's reading 1.374. I always recommend to crank it as you're touching those two wires, just to make sure the value does not change. So then what you'll need to do once you know that value is you're going to get one of these Passkey or vats resistor sets, little packages like this. Pretty simple. Everything is labeled corresponding to the package. As you can see, shows you what the value is. In deciding what resistor value or what resistance passkey, those wires need to see at time of crank. Okay, now that we've identified which resistor we're going to need or what the value is, because plus or minus 5% is going to be sufficient, we can go ahead and choose the 1.47, which is indicated by the stripes on the resistor: brown, yellow, violet, and brown. Now, in order to install this, we're going to go ahead and cut this yellow wire, and we're not going to use the key side. This is the key side. Is connect the resistor between this yellow wire and the orange and black, or as I mentioned, you may have a solid black, depending on the year. We just need to connect that resistor between those two. I'm going to use a small crimp on the one side, and we're just going to feed it through there and twist it around. We solder it afterwards. The connection has been made. So once we do that, I just poked a small hole through the wire, same one I used for using multimeter. And I'm literally just going to twist this around. I want that connection to be really good. As you can see, that wire is now twisted in there. For test applications and for the video, you can kind of see where we're headed there. We have that done. You put the key back in the ignition, and then we'll go ahead and turn it on and crank it. So as you can see, works and starts fine. Security light on the dash will go off in just a second, and you'll have everything all set. Hope that clears up some misnomers on how simple this can be, how easy and of a bypass it can be. And thanks for watching.